You cannot make people like you by trying harder. Almost everything that decides it happens in the first 5 seconds, and none of it is effort. Trick number 1, stop talking to people head on. Stand at an angle instead. Facing someone straight on is how the brain reads confrontation. Interviews, interrogations, arguments, they all happen face to face. But side by side at a gentle angle is how friends stand. Same team, looking at the world together. So at the next party or meeting, don't corner anyone face on. Turn your body slightly and watch them relax. That's 1, 6 more coming, and number 7 quietly rewrites how people remember you. I'm Daniel, let's go. Trick number 2, the gossip mirror. Whatever you say about other people gets glued to you. It's called spontaneous trait transference. Call your coworker brilliant and generous, and every brain in the room quietly files you as brilliant and generous. Trash someone behind their back and the dirt lands on you instead. The brain can't separate the message from the messenger. So praise people when they're not in the room. It's the most underrated likability trick on earth, and it happens to be good for the soul. Trick number 3, name their feeling out loud. Anyone can say congratulations. Almost nobody says, you seem really proud of this one. Naming the emotion tells them you didn't just hear the news, you saw them. Watch their face when you do it. People light up because feeling seen is rarer than being praised. And it works on hard days too. You seem drained today opens a door that how are you never will. Trick number 4, the warm cup trick. And yes, this one sounds fake, it isn't. In real studies, people holding a warm drink rated strangers as warmer, kinder, and more trustworthy than people holding an iced one. The brain confuses physical warmth with emotional warmth. Same word, same wiring. So make the coffee meeting a real move. Hand someone a hot drink, and you're literally warming up how they see you. Quick one, if these are already making sense, subscribing takes 1 second and tells me to keep making them. Trick number 5, leave one loop open. The brain hates unfinished things. It keeps replaying them on its own. Psychologists call it the Zeigarnik effect. So don't empty the tank in one conversation. When a good story comes up, smile and say, remind me to tell you about the airport thing. Now you're not a finished chat, you're a cliffhanger, and their brain keeps you on screen until the next episode. Trick number 6, show up small and often. 5 2-minute chats build more liking than one long dinner. It's called the mere exposure effect. Familiar faces feel safe, and safe quietly turns into liked. No charm required, just presence. So stop waiting for the perfect big hangout. Send the meme, wave in the hallway, drop the tiny comment. Small and often wins. And trick number 7, the one that rewrites everything. End on the peak. People don't remember conversations like recordings. They remember the best moment and the ending. That's it. It's called the peak end rule. Think about it. A whole evening can be great, but if it ends flat, the memory of you goes flat with it. So leave 2 minutes early on the laugh, on the good story, on the high five. Never let it fizzle out. Leave on the peak, and their memory edits you into someone they always have a great time with. Let's lock all 7 in fast. Number 1, talk at an angle, not head on. Number 2, kind gossip glues to you. Number 3, name their feeling. Number 4, warm drinks warm up how they see you. Number 5, leave a loop open. Number 6, small and often beats big and rare. And number 7, always end on the peak, because the ending is what they keep. One honest line before you go. None of this works as a costume. These tricks only shine on top of actually caring about people. Pick one this week, just angle your body or hand someone a warm coffee. Let it turn natural, then stack the next. And if you want the foundation these sit on, watch How to Make Anyone Like You in 90 Seconds next. 10 more tools, and these 7 stack right on top of them. So tell me, which one are you trying first? The angle, the kind gossip, or ending on the peak? Drop it below, subscribe if this helped you, and as always, keep shining.